We're here at the Nationals at the Wick 338. You know what they do a lot of here at the Wick during the Nationals? Power washing. There's power washing. A lot of nice rigs, a lot of really cool stuff. We were asked to come here to help fix something. This is awesome. That is the Troy Lee Designs rig right over the left. We're gonna meet up with Jerry Bernstein. Mr. Bernstein.
In there, I don't even know.
I have thousands of times parallel parked this vehicle. Yeah. Let's just hope I don't bump that poor fella behind me. What do you think, Jerry? How's your depth perception from over there? Probably good. Yes. All right, thank you. Bye-bye. Troy Lee Designs here today that we're working with, just fixing these up for them. What's cool about these motocross guys is they all have power washers. And so like, if you drive around this pit area, you'll notice everyone is power washing everything. These guys can do 3 power washing jobs at the same time. They bring their own DI water around with them. It's amazing, and so they really take a lot of pride in how clean their stuff is. These guys use Liquid X to keep this thing this shiny, so they use our product with our silencer foam cannon right on here, and it's a really cool setup, so I figured we'd film everything, and maybe we'll get a little tour of the inside of this thing too. So I'm gonna swap this pump. This thing's all spent. I'm gonna help these guys keep rolling and get them fixed up so they can keep washing down in between motos. It's pretty important they get all the mud off and everything on their dirt bikes in between their sessions and their races. So we're gonna just keep these guys rolling because they're gonna be hitting the track hard tomorrow. So we're swooping in to save the day. All right, so we got a pump and we gotta hook it up. This place is like heaven for me. You just ride around and everybody's power washing. It's the craziest thing you ever seen. All right, so I need an extension and a 9/16 ratchet.
There we go. How we feeling?
Good, man.
Sweet.
Good, we're making progress.
All right.
We're actually confident that this might work out.
Right on.
Could use a longer extension working in this little cabinet. The shaft is frozen onto the motor. We'll just continue to use this existing crank. So one of the most important things you can do in life, never sees your shaft. Oh yeah. There we go. So this is the unloader here, dude. This is the adjustment for the pressure. Let's see here. All right, so now I just got to take off this head on this thing. Popping them. After this, we'll go over to they have like an awning area where they put like this nice padding down as a floor, and they make a really sweet little workshop out of that. Hey, now I gotta put all this back in. There we go. Hook up some water of our own to this thing, because we want to see it work. This little makeshift save the day device so that we can turn this thing on even though we don't have water here. Time to deliver the water. Yeah. All right, bring the rig right in here and rock and roll.
Dude, you see it?
I think this is gonna work. Let's see. Yeah. You ready? Here we go. Ow! Is that how it normally runs? Oh! Sweet. Nice. Oh, I love this stuff.
What's that?
Just this stuff. It's so cool when they get all the bikes in here and they get all the tools spread out and oh man.
Since we put everything away, basically I got a kitchen back here, sink,
Wow.
refrigerator, microwave, keep fuel in there. Fuel cans are in there,
Nice.
and obviously I'm all set up, ready to go for food in the morning and
Oh, this
everything,
is
and
great.
all tomorrow to feed all of the mechanics and the riders and crew and everybody else.
Okay, that's cool.
I wish it was a little more open because I'll show you the cabinets with the motors and suspension.
Oh yeah, that's so good.
But yeah, chemicals we keep.
You just have like avocados, fig bars, Keurig going.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
I always
Kitchen
buy
sink.
more food than I need because I
cool.
don't want, I don't want to run out.
Yeah.
So I end up throwing out more food than actually gets eaten. But
Wow.
offset air, off there, off there.
Yeah.
My wash, these are.
Yeah. What is that exact? That's like a. I've seen those before, but I wasn't sure how
It's
they
just I
work.
basically bought it off Amazon, and it's a carbonated for beer makers.
Yeah.
I pour Mr. Clean in there,
Really?
and then I built a charge cable that hooks up to my air, so I can charge it to 130 pounds.
Oh,
and
that's
then
awesome.
And it sprays.
Just use it for
Spray
whatever
the
you
soap.
need.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
So,
smart. I saw there's one fella I saw detail kegs. He takes
Okay.
the kegs and he makes all the attachments.
Yeah.
It's a similar idea. I
the
love
only
that kind of stuff.
problem is that you fill 2-3 gallons full of Mr. Clean in there.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, well, yeah, between the bulk of the thing.
But
What a nice thing.
take your toolboxes obviously out, and work off the side during the day. But so it opens up all this.
And you have I mean, there's another.
Yeah, I
floor.
can show you real quick. We'll
Really?
go forward and I'll show you. Because that's basically all storage right there.
Yep.
That's the front part of the rider.
Look at all this. Oh,
Oh yeah.
someday,
This
Kevin.
is the one
someday.
everybody freaks out about because that's all titanium stuff.
Oh. So what
So
do we got in there?
that's all titanium hardware.
Titanium.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep.
Look at that labeled.
Axles, different bolts. These are like linkage bolts or special, plugs. Actually, pretty sure these are aluminum. Yeah, because
Wow.
the nuts and the bolts are all titanium.
These are Lista cabinets, dude.
Yeah.
Lista is the best cabinet.
Yeah. So
Did you know that the largest amount of Lista cabinets in the world is about a mile from my shop?
really,
Titan USA has the largest, hundreds of them, filled with $300 bill bits for machining.
so this comes out. This is our tire rack. Obviously, and it comes out. We have every bike has two sets of wheels.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So we're good to go for the day.
That's cool.
And then upstairs. Our office.
Oh, that's cool.
So if this pops out, obviously you saw that from the side, so it gives us more room. But
Oh,
this is
that's
where they
cool.
go over film, and then we obviously watch TV and watch the racing.
Oh yeah, you got
here.
your TV and stuff.
Yeah. So
You say go over film, like you capture
for
footage. of the team?
Supercross, I film the guys, and then I bring the footage back, and then they critique themselves basically in the
In here?
manager. Yeah.
Wow.
So I go up way high in the stadium, shoot all their stuff, everything that's going on, and then bring it back to the truck. For outdoors, we don't do that because I can't get the whole track.
Oh,
But like
okay.
Supercross, I can be way up in the stadium and get everything.
Oh, this is cool. Thank you for showing us around, man.
Absolutely.
That's amazing. Someday we gotta have a Chem-X rig like this. We did it, dude. We got him running again.